Got Megan back. Right, we are sewing today.
Yes.
And what are we making this time?
You can pronounce
Shall
it.
Sorry. Neither of us can pronounce any of these patterns, so I am Cassiopee. Yeah, I think it's called that. I'll just show you what we're making.
Say that.
It is a lovely kind of empire waist dress with a very relaxed fit.
Yeah.
Perfect for ladies with bumps. And
just casual,
yeah, and comfy. And there's been so many lovely versions of this.
Oh yeah.
I saw Release Selects from By Hand London last week, and she was wearing one, and I was like, yeah, this is definitely going to be our next make. And the people from I Am Patterns are so lovely. I was very lucky to meet them at the beginning of the year, and they were just gorgeous. And they gave me this dress pattern, so we are making it.
Yes.
So what's your fabric, Megan?
Okay, this is I've been saying this is an Instagram famous fabric. And I've seen quite a few people making things from this. This is it's just a lovely kind of viscose. It's really thin, so it's going to be really nice for this pattern. It's the softest
thing ever.
So soft.
Oh, I just banged my elbow really badly. It's so soft.
But it's so soft. It has a beautiful drape. And I think everyone loves it because it's like so many different kinds of women, and I think it resonated with
because yesterday was what the 100th year anniversary of the vote.
It was, yes.
So that is very good timing.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, and I bet Frank loves it because there's a lot of Chinese women in here.
You know what? Frank didn't notice it.
Oh, Frank!
I know.
Frank's Megan's. I nearly said Frank Stevens' husband. Frank is Megan's husband, and he is a Chinese man, and he loves traditional things.
He really does, yeah.
So once you've got this on, he'll spot it. Yeah. I'm just moving the scissors away. I get really scared about scissors being under fabric, that they'll suddenly just jump open. So I have the grids, black and white. Really lovely drape again. It's like the perfect type of fabric for this. Really I think it's a poly crepe, or I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. And got it from, where did you get yours from, by the way?
So I got mine from Fabrics Galore shop in London.
Lovely. And mine, I think the Hackney Road Market, but you know that one that we love.
Oh, it has a cat.
Oh, like the one with the cat.
I always call it the one with the cat, and people who haven't been there are like, what? What is this? But I love that. It gives me a real Parisian vibe.
Oh yeah, it is quite Parisian.
But like black and white kind of chic kind of. Yeah.
And I'm wearing my newly blocked owl sweater, which
is so amazing. Gabby's going to have to give you a close up of those owls.
Well, I will when I'm doing my knitter natter. Okay. You'll have to wait.
Yeah.
But we have been tracing, because my only thing is that I was a bit surprised that for a paper pattern it's actually overlapped. But that's fair enough, because I think a lot of the European pattern companies are quite different to us. Like a lot of them don't have seam allowances added, but this one does, which is great. But it is overlapped. Yeah. So we got the tracing paper out, and we've been tracing.
We didn't trace the skirt because it's a triangle. No, it's a rectangle. And we thought we'd just measure it and kind of like rip our fabric.
Yes.
Rather than having to kind of waste tracing paper and time, and we just want to like get at our sewing machines. Yeah.
Oh, and talking of sewing machines, we've got one each today.
We do. We have the
Faff Wonder Pieces. Yeah, I got an amazing delivery that I'm going to be talking a lot more about on the vlog soon, but we have 3 Faff machines in front of us, and we've got the Quilt Ambition 2 that I'm going to be on.
You know what?
You can be on my passport.
I love the passport. You know, he used to intimidate me, but you know
he's a good one.
He's a good one, yeah.
So that's going to speed up our sewing time a lot, because we've been sharing one machine, which is great. But yeah, we have been, haven't we? So we'll be like sewing side by side again. So I'm really excited about that. And we've got baked potatoes in the oven. So we're going to cut out our fabric, stop for lunch, and then the sewing will commence.
And we're thinking we might make this by the end of the day.
I think so.
Yeah,
it's really quick.
It's really quick.
Yeah. Cool. All right, see you in a bit. Oh, I lost my voice there. I was like, I don't know.
Does no one know?
I don't think anyone does. Should we ask? We'll ask at the vlog. Okay, Megan just asked a very serious question and we thought we'd ask you guys. Go on, Megan.
I don't know, for some reason I got Meatloaf's song in my mind, I Will Do Anything for Love. And you know he always goes, but I won't do that.
What won't he do?
And I'm just, what is he not doing? I'm just...
I think it's something a bit naughty.
No, it's not.
Oh, maybe it's leave her. Oh, maybe he's like, I'll do anything for love but leave you, because she's like, I'm sorry, I don't actually love you. No, I made it really dark.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, by the way, we're just tracing out and talking about Meatloaf. And I ran out of tracer paper, so we've got a little square of that, and we've got these great little do you like the little propeller pencils? I think they go blunt really quickly though.
I do.
But good old Tiger, love Tiger.
I suppose like when for me they always snap off.
Yeah, that's true. They always snap. Hello, Hobbes. Hello, darling. Oh, little man. All right, Megan has chosen her thread.
I have. It was a bit difficult.
Yeah, there's so many different colours.
Yeah, there was so I just went with...
Yes, I think you have chosen wisely. And so you're using the Faff Passport too. All right, how are you getting on, Megan?
Really good. I think it's one of those patterns where the most of the work is when cutting it out and tracing it.
Yes, yes. Everything else just speeds along.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is sleeves to bodice.
This is sleeves to bodice, so I am on. So.
Oh, it's already looking so good.
Yeah, so this is the sleeve. One sleeve is fixed on, and then the other one is just here.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing as well. Sorry, Stephen is rustling about. Hello, Stephen. Stephen is like putting stuff in his wardrobe. He's getting ready because he's got a musical.
That's a rather grandiose description of what this actually is.
Well, it is a wardrobe. It's just like a wardrobe.
I love that.
And I am loving sewing on my Faff Quilt Ambition 2. It's amazing, really loving that. And yeah, I'm in about the same place. I'm just sewing on the second sleeve as well, so race ya!
No!
Okay, yeah, we're both doing a bit of trying on of the bodice.
Yeah, we are.
We're a bit confused, but I think we've got it.
Yeah, I think you just connect it at here and yeah.
It's different construction to anything else I've ever made actually.
Me too, and there aren't that many notches.
Yeah,
maybe it's just the version we have.
There is one notch. I'm just going to say of the whole piece. There's one notch, and I can't remember where that is. Okay, so when that goes together like that, okay, yeah, that's going to make sense. And look at the bat wing.
Oh, that's lovely.
It is going to be super cute. It's really funny if you got jumper. They're like kind of capes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. We will continue to add the skirt. Oh, I need to cut up the other skirt. I only cut one, and it's meant to be two. Okay, and also the necklines first, so we'll do that first.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? Wait a second. Yes, it is.
Okay. See you in a bit.
Bye.
Okay, we've upgraded our sewing experience to the big ironing board today.
Yes, we have.
So we can iron at the same time. Well, no, we can't. You iron first and I'll iron next. But yeah, so this is just the facing for the neckline, and yeah, we'll just iron all that open. Everything's already overlocked as well. I'm just going to hold that down a bit actually. And I don't know why I have a real thing about facing. It's not my favourite bit, and I don't know why. It's just normal sewing, but for some reason
I don't really like
I'm just not a fan of facing. Hello!
Hi!
I bought Megan a matching bag. No, you've got to turn it around. Oh, that doesn't work, does it? I can just clink you like that. Okay, it's day 2. Even though we've got like hardly any to do, we had to stop last week, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
And what have we got left to do?
It's the final
countdown.
And it's just attaching the skirt.
Yeah.
And sewing up the side seams.
Yeah, easy peasy. And then some hemming. Might do some hemming with this one. So yeah, we are gonna whiz through that and then show you what we made. You know what we should do as well that we never do, and I always get asked questions, is what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a Berda pattern. I don't know the number or the like, I don't know anything about it, but I love this. It was a sweater. I just made it to a sweater dress.
And it fits your bum perfectly.
Perfect.
It's really lovely on your bum.
I love this dress. I love this dress. If I didn't already love it enough, I love it more now.
No, it is gorgeous. It's totally gorgeous. I'm in 2 new makes. I've got my Cleo, my long Cleo dress, and also Tilly and the buttons all the way. Coco, but I've made the contrasting one, which I'm really, really happy about. And you will probably see in my later vlog as well when I'll talk all about it. So yeah, we're going to get on with the sewing. We've got quite a lot of exciting things happening today that we're not going to tell you about. But yeah, it's an exciting day. Alright, see you in a bit. See you. Bye. Where are you up to, Megan?
So I have just put the skirt together.
Nice.
And I did it on the 2 large stitch.
Oh, that's what I did as well.
Yeah, because of the ruffling it. So I'm just going to go over it again.
Nice. That's exactly what I did.
Stitch.
Yeah. And I'm just overlocking all the rest of my seams now so that I'm kind of ready to put the sides together.
Yeah, and it's basically hemming and then done after that.
Yeah, amazing. Let's watch a bit of Megan sew.
This is not going to be me being very accurate just because I just want to get it done.
And we'll just see a bit of Hobbes. Oh, by the way, it's Hobbes' birthday. Hobbesy! Hello, darling. Oh.
He is a sprightly 8 years old.
I know, he's got loads of mud on him because he rolled in the park. Okay, right, we're doing a try on. And I just love that on you. It is gorgeous. How lovely does this look on her bum?
This is if you have a belly. This is how it will look like. I did add a little belt here because
I might cry. That is so cute. It suits you so well, and the colouring and everything.
I do really love that I can use this fabric.
I think that's gorgeous.
But I love yours too. Like
mine's just a big old moo-moo.
No, I love oversized dresses, and
I'm gonna climb up the stairs. See. Oh, actually, you can't because there's so stuff.
I love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
I do love it. It's good. It's so comfy and
suits the fabric so much.
It does suit.
Because I was like, oh, there's hardly any ruffle, but there is. There's enough.
Yeah, there's enough. And I pattern matched. I'm really pleased with my pattern match. Was the other side better?
Yeah.
I pattern matched. So I see them better.
It's a really, really nice shape. I mean,
it is. Well done, I Am Patterns. Great pattern. And if we weren't chatting and drinking so much tea, we probably could sew that up in a couple of hours.
Yeah. if you're faster like Gabby, a couple of hours. If it's me, it's a day. But you do have to trace it out as well. So
yeah, you're right. Okay, a day make. Let's say that. Alrighty.